All right, these are P2 sets questions. On the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B. So very simple.
Sir,
Just
in question it's not written to shade it.
what? Sorry,
Sir, there is no question for the first part, like to shade it. So how do we know?
I don't understand. This is written here, shade region A intersection B. What is your confusion? I don't understand.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay. Next. Okay, this one, please be careful. This one is now very important question. So in a class of 40 students, 28 wear glasses, 13 have driving license, 4 do not wear glasses and do not have driving license. Complete the Venn diagram. First, we will put this data in the Venn diagram. 4 do not wear glasses. That means 4 is outside the driving license set and the glasses set. So 4 is outside. Okay, this is important. Okay. So we don't know how many common are there. Okay. But we know that some of them should be 40. Okay. So
Sir,
let's assume that this intersection part is X. Okay. Let's assume intersection part common are X. So that means this will be glasses will be 28 minus X. If you subtract the X part, this only exclusively glasses is 28 minus X. The driving is exclusively driving license without glasses is 13 minus X. Okay. How, but we need to find this X. So just add everything now, equate to 40. 28 minus X plus 13 minus X is plus 4 is equal to 40. You can simplify 28, this minus X cancel with plus X, plus 13 minus X plus 4 is equal to 40. X is equal to X is equal to 5. Is it clear? This part calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdullah also clear?
sir, can you explain this calculation again?
Yes, we don't know the intersection part. We cannot just put 28 in this dash because 28 means this dash plus this dash. Intersection part plus the exclusive part. So intersection part when not given, you can assume it as X, and then this will be 28 minus X because 28 minus X is basically this part. Okay, only this part. Okay, Abdullah. Similarly, driving exclusively is 13 minus X. I mean this part only.
Okay.
Only this part is like a moon shape. This is 13 minus X. But overall the students are 40. So you can just add all the elements including this 4 is equal to 40. X will be 5. Now we can just replace with the actual value. So this is intersection is 5, 28 minus 5.
Okay, sir, I got.
Good. This is 23. 13 minus 5 is 8. You can confirm, you can add everything. 23 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4. 40. 40 students. Okay, second part. Use the set notation to describe the region that contains total of 32 students. Let's make a combination from here, which gives us 32, first of all. Which numbers add together to give 32? 23 plus 5 plus 8. Does they equal to 32? No, that is 38. 23 plus 5 plus 4, that is 32. 23 plus 5 plus 4, that is 32. This is just a guesswork, okay? But now the set notation means we need to write something like this, okay? This either X complement intersection by A union F, A intersection B, something like that we need to give the answer. So let's shade this first, okay? So that it's clear. We need this 23 and 5 region, okay? But we don't need this region. We also need this outside region, okay? This all pink region, we need to now say in terms of set notation like that, okay? So think about it. What can we write here?
So, would it like be A complement UB?
There is no A, B. Can you tell in terms of G and D?
Okay, it would be like G complement UD.
We cannot say G complement because 23 and 5 are included. So it has to be D complement first of all, because you can see 8 was excluded.
IS D complement and then UG.
Union G, yes, that's correct. But Abdullah, I will explain you one in an easier way now. Okay, that is just what's the reverse. Suppose we want to shade this region D complement union G. Two parts. Our method of shading in two parts. First, let's shade D complement. Okay, in yellow. So D complement is going to be leave everything outside D. Okay, this is the D complement region. All right.
Okay.
Now this you need to combine with, let's combine, union is combined with G. So let's shade the G region. G is obviously G is just this circle. And now you can see that it's correct because union means you need to combine yellow and green region. So when you combine yellow and green region, only you get 23, 5,
Okay, sir, I
and
got it.
4. Okay. So this will come with practice. It's not a very sometimes it can be little tricky at the start. But no problem with practice. Okay, let's do more. There is more part. No, there is it's a different data. Same question, different data. Okay, don't worry. If the question is a bit complex. B is basketball, F is football, H is hockey. Find the number of elements in B union F intersection H complement. Again, don't worry, break it into different parts. Okay. First, let's shade B union F with the blue. B union F mean you just need to shade B and F whole. This is B and F. Okay, we don't care about anything. We just shade B and F. Okay. Now we need to shade H complement. H complement means you need to shade everything except H. So I'm just shading everything except H. I'm not going to draw any green line in the H. Okay. Now it says intersection. Intersection mean overlapping. Okay. When you are shading, it's basically overlapping. So what area is overlapped twice? Like what are the numbers which were both in blue and green regions?
7, 5.
5 is not in green. You can see 5 does not have any green part.
2, 6, 7.
Yes, 2, 7, and 6. See, 2 has both green and blue line. 7 also green and blue line. 6 also green and blue
Oh,
line.
okay, sir.
Okay. But it says n, so that means we need to add them. How much is this? 9 plus 6, 15. Okay. Now I'm going to erase this and just show you the actual part. What is this? Like after a lot of practice, you can directly shade the regions actually. What is B union F? Intersection H complement. I will leave H and I will just shade B and F like that. When you are too much, when you have done a lot of practice, you can directly shade this region. B union F, intersection H complement. Okay. And there are just 2, 7, 6. You add 2, 7, 6, it's 15. Okay.